How are you? How was that even gonna work right there? Stop. Please stop. Please stop. Come this
Athena.
way. Come this way, please. All of that, you're gonna fall.
Athena.
You're gonna fall, or you're gonna knock something over. Please stop. Athena. Sweetheart. Please. I'm asking you nicely, please. Sweet. Look at her. She's like egging off the bed. Her half of her body is on the bed and the other half is right there. You are horrible. Shame on you.
Scratch your ass.
Shame on you. This is what you've turned into.
A whore.
You're a hoa. A filthy hoa. That's your muffin right there, by the way.
It's not mine no more.
She's molested your muffin. Look at that. That is that's you when you want me. Come on, cut that shit out. Come on, stop. No, I'm not rubbing her. See, that's what you get.
Come here, baby.
That's what you get.
Come here, honey.
Want some loving? Come here.
Emotions, mind fuck you. Yeah, they're doing it for sure. They're not stupid.